If you're trying to choose between the Samsung Music Studio 5 and Music Studio 7, it really comes down to how you listen. The Music Studio 5 is the better pick if you mainly stream music and want something stylish for a smaller space. It's compact, comes in 5 colors, and for $300, it delivers really balanced, room-filling sound with solid bass. It's also great if you want to build a multi-room setup over time. Now, if you're building more of a home theater experience, the Music Studio 7 is absolutely worth the extra cash. At $500, you're getting a bigger 5-inch woofer, more tweeters, HDMI ERC for direct TV connection, and true 3.1.1 channel audio with Dolby Atmos height effects. That dedicated center channel also makes dialogue way clearer for movies and shows. Both support AirPlay 2, Google Cast, Spotify Connect, and Samsung's Q Symphony if you've got a compatible TV. So here's the quick answer. Go with the Music Studio 5 for affordable music-first listening. Pick the Music Studio 7 if you want immersive movie sound and premium audio performance.